Do you prefer sitting down on a white page reading black text, or do you prefer to see your information and your knowledge visualized in beautiful images that make you think, that make you understand things on different levels? This is what we're going to do today. We're going to redesign our knowledge. We're going to create beautiful infographics and posters that will take knowledge that we're curious about or knowledge that we have and turn it into amazing visuals that make us think more than just about the words. So thank you for joining me today. This is the AI Goddesses activity from the AI Goddesses community. If you don't know what this is, we're a global women's community dedicated to helping women learn how to use AI in their everyday life as a collaborator with sisterhood support. I'm Faye, I'm the founder of this community. I used to be a software architect and now I'm an AI educator, and I help people, and I especially love helping women. This is why I started this community, to give us a home, to be part of AI and influence it. So join me today. We have an activity like this every week. And if you're in a local chapter, thank you for joining us. And if you're joining us online, please share with us in the group. We're gonna start soon. We're gonna go to Gemini, and first we're gonna sign in. So sign in with your Google account. And you can also use their app. It's great, I recommend it. Gemini is amazing for creating these text-heavy documents with a lot of elements. So it's an amazing tool for this kind of images. I've tested for us for this activity specifically a bunch of tools like Qwen and Copilot, but Gemini is just on another level. If you know any tools on the level of Gemini, let me know. So we're gonna start actually by clicking on create an image. You can see it right here. If you don't see it here at the top, you can see it right here at the settings, create image. And now all of this stuff is allowing you to pick your style. You don't have to, but now you can also choose a style reference for your image. And here we're just gonna write our prompt template in the guide. It's quite simple. We're going to create an image of educational poster explaining, and then you write your things. And I recommend to be very specific here for what you're imagining, because AI doesn't know what you're thinking, right? We need to say what we're thinking. For example, I wrote how seashells are formed. I could just write explain seashells, but then what does it explain? The animal, what you can make with them, their effect on the ecological environment. I just want to know how they're made. So I just say that specifically. It doesn't need to be long. Just write for your intention so you can get what you wanted to know. And today we're not going to use one of these image styles that Gemini is offering. We're actually going to challenge ourselves with having a theme for our infographic. It's going to be so fun and so cute. So my theme is a beach party. And that's all you need to do. And then you just click on generate. You send it. See, my connection didn't work, so I'm going to retry. That happens all the time, by the way. Sometimes something doesn't work. All you need to do is to ask it to make the image again, or to refresh, or to log out and log in, or maybe use the website instead of the... It's kind of the usual tech stuff that you need to do. But just know that the AI will work eventually. Before we see the image, I want you to notice these keywords in the prompt. Educational poster explaining. This is going to make the difference between just getting an image and the amazing results we're about to see. Look how beautiful and adorable this is. First of all, this is so fun to look at. I mean, I got this beach party explaining to me this really interesting stuff. Ocean ingredients, what it puts in, the carbonate and minerals, and then the layering of the shell itself. This is so cool. And the little hardening up. Oh, you see there's explanations here and growth patterns with tie-dye. I love it. Wow, this is so cute. And the little ghost. Oh, this is so much better than I expected. I want you to tell me what's more interesting and fun, reading this explanation, which is the text version of this infographic, or watching this amazing image and exploring all the little hidden secrets here that give you all these pieces of information. you have your image, you can download it. All you need to do is click the image and then click on save or download, wait for it to save it for you, and then you can open it and share it with us. If you click open, and then you can just chill. Another example for us, this time about why community is a motivating force for women, sharing a bit of my knowledge and my field and the style of a pajama party. And look how cute it made it, like on a big sheet. And you can see that it has a lot of good points, sharing mentorship and advice, learning new skills, belonging. We have the shared goals and support. And all of this we can do in our PJs. At a wide landscape image here, because we didn't ask for anything else, so it's kind of random. But if I would put my prompt the same way and I would just add portrait, then it will make me portrait. And I can also just ask the AI, the Gemini, to create a portrait version, and you see it created a perfect portrait version with the same text and style. The quilt version, which I had to show you how beautiful it is. So really be super creative because it can make anything. If you want to share your knowledge, you want to start with a conversation. Before we create an image, I'm going to give it some reference to what my knowledge is. So in this case, I gave it my website. I said my topic. I want to explain why the playful and community method driven that we're using here helps so much to learn AI. And you can also upload any file that you want. If you're in the chat, you can click on the plus and get any file you want as reference to upload. Or you can give your website. And then Gemini is going to understand my material, my knowledge, right? It's going to read it, and it suggested a design. And we can see if the design is aligned with my knowledge or not. Now, if I'm happy with the design, happy that it understood what I mean, I can go ahead and create my image. If not, I can continue the conversation and say, right, I want to emphasize something, for example, right? Until you're happy. Okay, now that I'm happy with this, I can go back and put my prompt for the image. So we're gonna click on this and we're gonna click on create image. And then we're gonna put in our prompt. And for the style, I'm going to go with board game. I don't know what it's going to do, but let's try it. Okay, so it's actually very cute, so cool. It made us this little game, and you can see it's very detailed, and it made the whole journey. So you start frustrated, you get support, you get all these weekly AI powers, as you know, like we're doing right now. Hands-on creations. Oh, this is so beautiful with their local chapters. We also have one opening now in Copenhagen. Okay, so you can see how amazing this is and all the steps. And it made me just with a simple conversation. So take your knowledge and your topic and share it with us as well. Remind you to share your image. You just need to tap it and then click on save or download. And then you can open it and share it with us. I would love to hear what aspect of this visualization helped you learn more or helped you feel more connected to the information, or maybe unlock a different insight than you have before. Okay, so what did we learn today? We learned that we can visualize our information. We can take any data that you want to learn more, that you want to give to other people to learn more. Think about even for kids, or if you have your favorite style and topic, this is an amazing way to get information into your head. And now you know how to do this. So you're gonna do it yourself, step by step. Don't forget, sign in, write your prompts, describe your topic, describe your style. Be as specific as you can about your topic to help the AI focus on what you really want to learn. And then watch this beautiful infographic and share it with us in the group. So go start the activity, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to share with us in the WhatsApp group when you're done, so I can see all your beautiful creations. Thank you for inspiring me and inspiring others. Good luck.